Hey guys, how's it going? Is your Pushcut automation failing to trigger? Let's fix it quickly. First, Pushcut relies on Apple shortcuts to run automations. Go ahead and click the three dots with the circle at the top left, and then select the last option, shortcuts, and you're gonna click right here, import shortcuts, and I'm gonna select the get shortcut button right here, and I'll be switched to the shortcut. And as you can see right here, you're gonna see automation. Click on it and make sure your automation is configured or properly configured. Check if you've allowed them to run without asking for any confirmation. Right here you're gonna find it as step 2. All right, if you're using a webhooks or API, make sure to go back to the Pushcut, right, and double check your Pushcut API key. Click your account at the bottom right, and you're gonna see the integrations from here, and you're gonna see the add API key, and you're gonna see all of your API keys. Make sure it matches the one in your automation setup, aka the shortcut, Apple shortcut. Right now, what you're gonna do next in order to fix that problem, check your device's connectivity. Pushcut automations needs a stable internet connection. Ensure you're online and that Pushcut has the necessary network permissions. Next, in order to fix that, if all else fails, go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and type Pushcut, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure that you updated the app, right? Outdated apps or system bugs can cause issues. Update Pushcut, Apple shortcut, and even iOS if needed. So Apple shortcut is actually iOS developed. Go ahead to the general and then software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. All right, now test your automation and it should run smoothly. Let me know in the comments if you have other tips or questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.